Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today in this video, we're going to see 10 punctuation marks. So let's get started. This is a question mark. This is a comma. This is an exclamation mark. This is colon. The above symbol is quotation marks. The above symbol is brackets. The above symbol is dash. The above symbol is slash. The above symbol is dollar sign. The above symbol is exponential symbol. The above symbol is tilde. The above symbol is currency symbols. I hope this video was informative. Thanks for watching it. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel.